me show you how to load Windup. Here I have a Windup without any material in it. You open up the front door. This is where the new roll goes. We take a new roll, and the rolls are keyed for easy insertion. We have a large spindle and a smaller spindle. They enter into the appropriate slots. They click in, satisfying snap. Pull out some leader material. Take this gear, line it up on the inside with the red side, square on the other side. Press down, some extra billowing material, simply roll tight, close the door, and the Windup is ready to go.